How to turn on updates and offers in Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to get the latest deals, loyalty points and real-time updates in Google Wallet, well, in this video I'll show you how to turn on offers and updates in your wallet settings. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now from here, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as updates and offers. So simply toggle on that option, and here once you toggle it on, you will get all the exclusive offers, promotions and updates on wallet feature. And that's it. That's how you can enable updates and offers in Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.